First, check the basics. Make sure your PC is plugged in securely and check your power strip. Sometimes it gets switched off. Try plugging something else into the same outlet to make sure it's actually working. Now check the back of your PC. There's a small switch on the power supply. Make sure it's set to on. Next, unplug your PC completely. Then hold down the power button for about 10 to 15 seconds. Now plug it back in and try turning it on again.
Watch closely. Do you see any lights, hear fans, or notice anything at all?
If you get nothing at all, it's usually a power issue, like the cable or power supply. Try using a different power cable if you have one. They can go bad. In some cases, the power button itself might not be working.
If none of this works, it could be the power supply or internal hardware.
Try these steps first. If this helped, subscribe for more quick tech fixes.